We are about to board the train here at the Tampa International Airport in Tampa, Florida. And we got a train leaving over here. There goes that one. There's a train coming. I just arrived from Atlanta. Here it comes. I have not ridden this train in a long time. Here we go.
We are about to depart. Please stand clear of the doors and hold the handrails firmly at all times.
Here we go. Heading to the terminal side. Whoa.
We are approaching the Landside terminal at the Airport Marriott Hotel. The baggage claim and ground transportation serving Air Canada follow red symbols down the elevators or escalators to the red baggage claim area. For baggage claim and ground transportation serving Delta, follow blue symbols down the elevators or escalators to the blue baggage claim area.
We're going to exit on the right side. Right here. And it appears we are the only ones on this train. There's no one else over there. There we go. Now, guess what? We get to watch the doors close.
We are about to depart. Please stand clear of the doors and hold the handrails firmly at all times.
There it goes, and that's it.